ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯛꯂꯤꯉꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ it is a science of practicing of farming including cultivation of crops and rearing of animals, that is livestock. Panbi singbi thaba amasung sanga jiba panba loibase masibu koina kai kawi agriculture hairaga khangnani chapter sida agriculture hai taragadi sai so hai ge bedo cultivation of crops and rearing of animals sanga loiba panbi singbi cultivate toba thaba in order to produce our foods, clothing, atopa akoida kanaba pinaba damakta puthokna damakta sanga loiriba pochai thariba so ko agriculture kawe. So look at the first paragraph of this chapter number 3. The early man gathered walnuts, fruits and roots from the forest. Mamangaida early man singse pochai heaga gather toraga tungjalaga thami, that is walnuts kumba, fruits haira, roots maragumba forest dagi umang dagi collect toraga thameba. Slowly tapna makoi singse kaidorai men learn to make better use of the available resources with improved tools. Roots se hujik roots se koine directly heta cha deba madudagi karigumba processing toraga sungdoga kana ba ma madudagi karigumba ma koi shinayeba adumain tawdana tapna hana mokoina element singna hairami ba chana midudagi development tapna lae haiba kamai tawdana with the use of available resource akoi da leiriba resource se akoi da kana riba phangiba natural sing se machine maram oraga improve tools matik chaba khuju khulai sizinaraga techniques mayam ama sizinaraga akoi gi loksingna kaidowi madudagi hena kanaba akoi da sizinaba yaba ma haiba do koina ohelle I haiba hana leiramidudagi hena instead of collecting wild foods ojikti wild foods sing umangda kaida pangpan panba haira sing uwa sing hekpa khaktang natabida they learn to grow crops and develop settled life pochai sing thaba hairaki and develop settled life mafam amada jaga amada pochai thadana hariba auriba thariba potlam singdubu ningthina fazana yingchandana madubu tharaga madu amu gather tawraga konagi store tawbana chingba tapna hairaki ba makoi singse. So agriculture here refers to the cultivation of crops and rearing of livestock. Agriculture hai ba taragadi isam sangna cultivation of crops panbi singbi thaba kya tare ko and rearing of livestock rearing hai ba taragadi mapung phadri bok jackson na khoina thabiba akoina jackson bado mapung phadri bok care to ba haiba tare of livestock sanga sing oiba yai adadagi kai oiba yai crop sing oiba yai madu bu isam samna kai kaure agriculture kawe. Underline that second paragraph first line. Look at the next line. Crops are those plant species required to be cultivated for human consumption. Crops haiba taragadi plant species singdune panbi gi group ta yauriba species singduni kaidobada required to be cultivated for human consumption miyoiba khoina ne season na baida makta chana na baida makta darkar oiriba singdubu koina kai kawe crops. These may be either food or non-food crops. Crops hairaga ne akhoi da darkar oiriba oiba yai chana ba oiba yai crops hairaga cotton jute haidana mayam amasu leikre adumai dana crops haiba taragadi sida chana ba oiba yai non-food oiba yai haidana hai. Livestock include livestock haiba taragadi sanga sing loiriba do koina livestock sanga loibada karam ba sanga sing koina loinage haiba taragadi include animals such as cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo, pigs, etc. and birds like chicken and duck. Birds kumba chicken kumba duck kumba sigumba singse akoina sha loibo ina chana na bidamakta season na bidamakta loyeba isam samna agriculture haiba taragadi panbi singbi crop sing ningthina phajana thaba sanga loiba chibu isam samna agriculture kawe ko. Next, agriculture is the oldest occupation of men. Mamangai da ngalingai gi matamdagi agriculture haiba se akoina kaidobada season darake haiba taragadi agriculture sina maru oina kwaidagi miyoiba koina taunaramba thabak amakhakne occupation maruiba occupation amane. The Southwest Asia is found to be the oldest land of ancient agriculture. Southwest Asia sinane khwaidagi oldest oiba ancient mamangai gi agriculture toba mafam ama haibadu oi about 50% of the world's total population is engaged in this activity. 50% muki total population se karamba thabakta engage toraga maduda makhoi se thabak inkhang toraga lei haiba taraga agriculture da lei. 2/3 of India's population is still dependent on agriculture. India ki su oina sar ohum gi थोपगी सरुक अनि अमदी इंडिया पॉपुलेशन से स्टिल दे आर डिपेंडिंग ऑन एग्रीकल्चर दा डिपेंड तौरगा ले सरुक अहुम थोपगी अनि मा अदुना हाइबदी इंडियन से वी दी इंडियंस व्हाट डू वी नीड इज एग्रीकल्चर से कोई द या मरु ओइरी बा हुजिक फौददी cultivation of crops is limited to the arable land पोचै थाबा हाइबसे जगह खरा खतंग लेरिबा land खुदिंग मक्ता लोइनमक थादे limited ओइबा जगह खरा खतम मक्ता खोइना पोत थाई पोचै थाबा याबा मखलगी मफम सिंदुबो खोइना कैगवे arable land agriculture तौना बैदा मक्ता सांगा ओइबा याय पोचै थाबा ओइबा याय crops cultivation तौबगी द मक्ता दी arable land हाइदना अककनबा पोचै थाबा याबा लम हाइदना लay look at figure number 2.1 that shows the extent of arable land in the world gi oina arable land sizinaba yaba makal gi lam sing sizinariba haidana chawrakna khara khakta neba lairise relief soil and climatic conditions are important physical factors akoi gi lairiba relief sing elevation sing se soil climatic condition masisu pochai thabagi maru oiba factor ama oi physical factor magi abiotic factor sing soil, climate, na chingba sing. While some crops are suited to tropical climate, others may grow only in subtropical and temperate regions. Masina haibdi pochai kuding mag sing se asaba mapamda natraga awangba mapamda lowest elevation the chana ba haidana crop kisu mai gi temperature gi matung ina suited oiba crops mayamam su makal mayamam lay have crop kuding mag in any temperature amada climatic conditions amada soil amada chanaba haibadudi ude mai gi mapam dugi jaga gi oina chanaba chanadaba haidana su lay a number of non physical factor also influence agriculture non physical oiba factor mayam amana su agriculture ga mari leina hali madudi this include laborers sing capital sale mechanizations and equipments market transport irrigation ising फनम फजन थारब पोटलम मैम नत्रगा मखाकना एग्रीकल्चर तौबदा सिजनरिबा पोटलम सिंग हारिबा सिंग सांगा लोइबा ओइबा याय क्रॉप ओइबा याय मधु सिंग से सांगा ओइबा याय क्रॉप ओइबा याय मधु सिंग से कैदोबा नंगना फन लोइबा तारगा सु फन यामना थाबा तारगा सुने हारिबा पोटलम सिंग से अखोइना निंथिना फजन मार्केट प्लेस अमदा सोल तौदरगदि इट इज ऑफ यूजलेस काना देबा नंगना थारिबा पोट गुड सिंग दो अदुना अखोइ फिजिकल फैक्टर खतन नतबिदा अतोपा नॉन फिजिकल फैक्टर्स सिंसु दरकार ओइ सिदा हाइसे ट्रांसपोर्ट मार्केट इरिगेशन farm inputs such as high yielding variety seeds mahi marong nithina phajana panba maru sing darkar oi akoida fertilizers darkar oi fertilizers hai taraga di chemical oiba yai natraga natural oiba substance potsak am oiba yai soil da koina add tawba lehaw leina bai damakta add tawba fertilizers kubo oiba yai madu darkar oi pochai thaba matamda pesticides darkar oi pesticides hai tari substance which is used for destroying or killing insects that are not wanted akoina pamdaba makhalgi tin kang singdo madu hatna na baidamakta sizinariba pesticides oiba yai insecticides oiba yai insect hatbana chingba land tenancy and land holding leiriba lamdugi su makha pole lamdo rented oiba nataga land tenancy landlord amagdagi reside toroga leiba lam oiba targa hariba factor physical factor khatan natabida tongan bada capital market sida hai se insecticides fertilizers na chingba mayam am so koida kaidawe darkar oiba agriculture toba matamda. So look at the next page, that is page number 34 again. Types of farming makhal singi maramda muking siko. Agriculture system is different from one country to another. Agriculture haibase pochai thaba sanga loiba haibasing lam amaga country amaga manade bangang sing. On the basis of agricultural practices, agriculture tawa matamdadi which includes size of the farm. Nangna thagadoriba natraga loigadoriba sanga dugi matunga size tugi makha pole tool season nagadoriba kujuk kulai mapam ba khetnai and techniques used madu the season nariba tongan ba pambai sing khetnai labor madu season nariba mioi sing demand of produce nangna puthokadoriba pothok to goods to madugi demand gi matungi naso. Farming may broadly be divided into subsistence farming and commercial farming. Atoi tari farming haibase isam samna broadly chawrakna khoina divide tawrabada ani thokna khaidokpa yai madudi kai haidana subsistence farming haibamga commercial farming haibamga ani thokna divide tawgani agriculture se ani thokna divide tawgani, that is subsistence farming and commercial farming. So right now we will do about this subsistence farming sigi maramda akoi hujik tawse ko isam samna ne subsistence farming haise kaino agriculture sida makhal kya thokre ani thokre agriculture sida makhal ani thokna khaidu I madudi subsistence farming haiba maga commercial farming haiba maga ani thokna khaidu I ko agriculture se. So what we are going to do is agriculture sida makhal ani thaido pose koi hujik subsistence farming gi maramda tawse subsistence farming haida isam samna kaino haiba matamda योननबैदमक्ता थाबा पोटलम नतबी नत्रगा योननबैदमक्ता लोइबा सांगा नतबैदा कैदोंनबैदमक्ता grown for eats on family or not for trade मागी चाननबैदमक्ता मयुमदा खरा थाजबा न चिंगबसिंग दोखोइना कैदा मनुंग चली हाइबा मतम subsistence farming gi manung changganiba योननबैदमक्ता थाबा नतबसे. This type of farming is carried out by a farmer to satisfy the needs of his family मागी family imung manung gi miyoi sing गिदमक्ता चाना थकना नबीनमक्ता खरा थाजबसे कोइना subsistence farming gi manungda chali. There remains no surplus for sale योनना बहिंदमक्ता लैतेबा हारिबा मखल gi subsistence farming dadi traditionally हारिबा चटनाबी से low level of technology are used मसिदा chemicals मैम अमा सिजनदना technology मैम अमा सिजनबा हाइबदो थोइना तौनदेबा कै farming ददी subsistence farming ददी traditional way of farming नेबा थाइना दगी तौरकपा कोइना संथि सयुंग हापा नचिंगबा चथरगा थाबा मखल gi technique अमानेबा. Subsistence farming can be further classified into primitive subsistence and intensive subsistence farming. Subsistence farming se amuk sune kamaina khaidoke haiba matamda sida haise primitive subsistence farming traditional oiba farming da thainagi chatharakpa makalgi farming system sida intensive subsistence farming haidana ani ko intensive subsistence farming da di traditional oiba mawong da natabida pesticides kumba insecticides kumba machi haptana thabase machi kumba hapaga thabase machi nabu intensive subsistence farming da manung amu chalakadiba yan tarni ko ngangse subsistence farming hai targani isam samna family gi damakta on surplus gi damakta thabasibu akoina subsistence farming gawi not for the sale. Primitive subsistence farming include nomadic herring and shifting cultivation. Primitive subsistence farming dadi nomadic herring and shifting cultivation laigani nomadic sa san mafam amangdi mafam ama puraga machinjak pijaba khojaba amasung shifting cultivation hariba mafam jaga se lehaw leitre fete oidare mafam amadaga chatlaga amu thaba potlam sing mashigi chatnabi sing primitive farming dadi subsistence farming dadi laigani ba. Nomadic herding is practiced in the semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara. Semi-arid natraga arid regions hai taraga less rainfall annually. Chahida nung chingi chang se yamna chudaba. Nomadic herding hai taraga which the farmers used to move from one place to another with their animals to graze. Graze tawna bai damakta asaba mafam singda practice tawi arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia, Rajasthan and Kashmir of India. Hariba mafam sing se masida less rainfall leiba mafam sing sida nomadic herding and amana chathai animals like karamba sanga sing seasonai nomadic for herding toba matang herding toba matam da haitan cattle, sheep, goats, camels, yaks etc. are reared. Hariba sanga sing se nomadic herding